Hi, welcome along. In today's video we're going way back to 1966. Little song called Black is Black, Los Bravos, 1966, Decca Records. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to drop us a little like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based 60s and 70s tutorials every Friday at 5 o'clock. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so first off, let's get started with this famous riff. So what we've got, we're in E minor for this song. And what we're going to do, we're going to hold an E minor. I'll show it up to the camera so you can see. E minor. Got it? Lovely. Right, so we're going to play the D string, then the A string, then we're going to play the D string open, and then we're going to put our finger back down again for the E minor. But for the final bit, we're going to play the D string downwards. So, all together that will sound like, and then we repeat, so it's, and then we switch to the D chord. So one more time, 2, 3, 4. And then we move to the D, which is done like holding a D. And we're going to play the D string. Then we're going to play the A string. Then we're going to set our first finger free to play the second fret of the A string. And then we're going to play the D chord. So all together that's going to be, and then we're back to the E minor again. Okay, so let's just do that together. The E to the D and back. 2, 3, sorry, E minor to the D and back. 2, 3, 4. Then to the D. Back. And then we go to an A. This is the bit that goes, since she went away, that bit. Would be A chord. We're going to strike the G string, the third string, then the D string, then G string open, and then A chord. And then back to the D again. So let's go through the order of events. So you know how to do it in D, you know how to do it in the E minor, now you know how to do it in the A. That's all we need for the majority of the song. Let's take you through the sections now then. So we've got Black is Black, E minor, and then to the D. I want my baby back, in the D. Now it's grey, back to E minor. It's grey. And then to the A. Since she went away, that bit. And then we've got what can I do in D? Can I do? 'Cause I am E minor. And then to the A. Feeling blue, D. Okay, that is the verses. Let's go through that one more time. So 2, 3, 4. To the D. E minor. the A, D, and then to the E minor, then to the A, then back to the D. I got it right, okay. So let's do the bridge. This is the bit that goes, I can choose, it's too much to lose, my love's too strong. Maybe she will come back to me, better time gone wrong. And then we're back to the body of the song. Let me show you how that's done. We got down, up, down, sorry, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. I'll take that slower for you. Strum pattern. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So we got E minor. I can choose. This is the bit. I can choose. And then we got F sharp minor. It's too much to lose. That is barring all 6 on the 2nd fret and holding down the 4th fret, A string and D string with the 3rd and 4th fingers. I'll show you that on up to the camera. There we go. That's an F sharp minor. So we've got the E minor, I can choose, and then to the F sharp minor, too much to lose. Then we slide up, make a G. So we slide in that shape up and adding our 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the G string, which gives us a G major chord, bar chord. So, for the G, we've got down, up, down, 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 and then we're going to go down, down, down. So that's G once, F sharp once, F once, and then that brings us to an E chord, E major, not E minor, E major. So we've got maybe she down, 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 up, down, 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 and then A down, up, down, 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 in A, and then we've got 2 downstrokes, one on the F sharp and one on the B chord. Let me show you that B. The B, you can do it one of 2 ways. Both ways, we're gonna hold all 6 strings. And then you've got the choice. I need you to hold down the D string, G string, and the B string. By default, unless you're double jointed, you're gonna be holding down the 4th fret of the E as well, because it's gonna be like a straight line. If you can lift off slightly, that's great. That's gonna mute that E string. We don't want to play that E string, or you end up with a chord called a B6. Don't want a B6. B6 sounds like this. We don't want that high note. We want without. So it's going to be, we want that. So you've got 2 choices. Either lift off slightly or stop short before you get to the E string. Don't play the E string. There's the B. You can do that with the 3rd finger, or you can use a little finger and have your 3rd finger help press that little finger down, taking care not to hold the A string or touch the A string or the E string with the tip of your 3rd finger if you're going to do it that way. Okay, so let's take you through the bridge one more time. E minor first, 2, 3, and I can choose. And then we got F sharp minor, up to the G. My love's too strong. G, F sharp, F, E, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, then A, F sharp, B, then E minor, D, E minor, then to the A, and then back to the D. What can I do? To E minor, cause I am to the A. I'm feeling blue. Then we got, that's how it ends. It ends with an F, downstroke on the G, Black is Black by Los Bravos. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions for songs that you would like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based 60s and 70s tutorials every Friday at 5 o'clock. So, a big thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next Friday. Take great care of yourselves. Bye-bye.